I bought Travis Scott's from StockX. Are they legit? Let's find out. First, let me tell you guys how much I paid. That's the big question. Purchase price was $491 and total came out to $536.98 right here. Yes, for this pair of Travis Scott sneakers. This happens to be the cheapest Travis Scott Jordan 1 on the market. Prices have dropped. I bought this sneaker on the 3rd, June 3rd, and they came in like 4 days. I got them very, very quick. I was shocked. I've been sitting on this shoe for like 4 or 5 days already to even do this video. They came in extremely quick. Let's see what they're at right now. Market is at $465, so about a $30 difference plus the fees. It is what it is. I'm not mad that I overpaid a little bit. It is what it is. Happens to the best of all. However, I do believe that these will go up. So let's go ahead and open them up. Let's make sure they're legit. This is a personal pair. I was debating back and forth on getting them, but I decided to do it. Why? Because I own every other Travis Scott Jordan 1 low except for the OG Mocha Low, which I am looking to buy. So if you do have a pair, 10.5 or an 11, I need a pair. DM me on Instagram. However, I am missing the Fragment High as well. Only 2 Travis 1s I'm missing. I don't count the golf shoe. But right here, we're going to almost complete the set. Add to the set right here of the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s as a whole. I want them all. I do. I've been thinking about it, and yeah, I'm going to collect every single one. Every Travis Scott Jordan 1 will be in my collection. So that's what I'm doing. Right here, we have the box, and right there, boom. Size 12. This is a woman's release. This is a 12W. 10.5. Men's official colorway is Canary Racer Blue Light Silver. Looks good on the box. Let's make sure that these are indeed legit from StockX. Make sure they're legit. Here we go. Okay, there is the receipt. I'm going to cover up my address, but there is the receipt with all my payment. There it is. Boom. Let's get into the paper. Let's take a look at the new Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 in my personal size now for the first time. Here they are, the Canary Yellow Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows from StockX. I went with StockX, and here's why. They have the cheapest price. Keeps happening. I keep looking for shoes, certain sneakers in the market, whether it's a new release, older release, and a lot of the times, StockX, they have the best price. They do. They were cheaper than GOAT when I bought them, so it is what it is. I went with StockX for this purchase, and here they are. The Travis Scott Canary Yellow. Make sure all the laces are here. Here is the red. We get the red. Where is the other set? Making sure all the laces are here. I believe there's 2 extra sets of laces. I don't see it. Okay, let's see. Maybe they're in the shoes. They do put laces sometimes in the shoe. That does happen. Oh, there they are. There they are. There they are. Okay, scared me for a second. Got the blue as well, so that's a good sign. Let's make sure that these are legit. Now, I do have Travis Scott Jordan 1s, so I know what to look for. And I have had this shoe already in several sizes. So I'm pretty good at legit checking the shoe already. Travis Scott's, for me, are not that difficult to legit check. Some are, but like the Fragment is. But other ones, not so much. So yeah, these, A-okay, look good to go. Here they are, the Travis Scott Canary Yellow Air Jordan 1 lows from StockX. I did it. I pulled the trigger, added them to the collection, and they are good to go. These are indeed legit StockX. No problems on this purchase at all. At all. Flawless. I'll be honest. Flawless transaction here from StockX. Nothing went wrong. I'm happy. I'm thrilled. Beautiful. Here they are. You guys can purchase if you want Travis Scott's expensive sneakers from StockX. Just get when you get them in. Make sure you do your due diligence, do your legit checks, and if you don't know, ask around, get those legit checks done. You can use certain apps to do it as well. So, yeah, these look good. Everything is good. They are fraying a little bit, which does happen on real pairs. You can see that toe box there, a little bit of fraying going on around the suede. That does happen, so good to go. good to go. Here they are, canary yellow Travis Scotts. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have ever made a purchase from StockX, and if you have, what have you bought? Let me know your most recent purchase. This right here is my most recent purchase, and StockX got it right with the canary yellow Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers, so please make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that like button. Comment down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire.